In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to complete your Get to Know You collage. So first we got to find the collage. You're going to go to Assignments, Get to Know You collage. Here are the instructions. I want to get to know you. So for this assignment, you're going to create one of the following projects. You can first create a video montage using Animoto. It's like an online software where you can upload photos and videos. You just click on this link here and it will walk you through how to compile your video. If that's the option you want to do, just hit this link and take it away. The other option, which most of you are completing, is your virtual locker. If you are doing this option, we need to make a copy of the template. So click on Design Your Virtual Locker. This is a view-only file. So you want to go to File, Make a Copy. Again, that was File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. I want you to name this, rename this, your name here, okay? Your name. And I want you to file it right away in your physical education folder. Physical education. Here, and select. So now I've got my name here, and I'm filing it in my PE folder. Okay. This is the instructions here. I want you to include at least 6 items. I've included way more than that, but you only need to include 6 items that tell me a little bit about who you are. So pictures of family, friends, pets, yourself, your favorite book, movie, TV show, music, a goal that you have, sport, food, a hobby, a place you want to visit, college that you want to go to. Anything's a limit. Just be creative. Okay, so this is the slide where you are going to edit and make your own. Okay, so first you need to put your name here, insert your name here. So Megan Usser, okay. And then here, these are also further instructions, but we can get rid of those. Okay, so first I want to put a photo in my locker. If you have a photo already on your computer, you can insert an image and upload it from your computer. If you just want generic photos of things maybe from the internet of interest that you have, still go to Insert, Image, search the web. This little box is going to show up, and just type the thing that you are looking for. So maybe you want to, that you love going to the beach, right? Say you love going to the beach. So a bunch of images are going to pop up. Choose an image that you like and hit Insert. It's going to load all big. You want to resize it. If you grab it from the corner, it'll resize with the proper dimensions. Okay, and let's pop that right in here. And I also need you to write an explanation of why you're choosing these items. So let's do one. I chose this photo of the beach because I love the ocean. All right, I do love the ocean. All right, let's do one more. Insert, image, search the web. Okay, say that you love listening to music. Okay, maybe we'll search earbuds just to represent, that you love listening to music, right? These look like good earbuds. Insert. Again, it's going to be a huge photo, so grab the corner, size it down, drop it in your locker. Put it in your locker. tell me a little bit about that photo though, right? So I chose earbuds because music is life. All right. My favorite artist maybe to listen to is ... Put your favorite artist in there. Okay. Insert image. Upload. Oh, that's from computer. Say you wanted to upload a photo of yourself. So again, insert image, either from your computer, if you have an image on your computer. So you want to put a photo of yourself, right? If you have one, you'll find that photo and insert that photo, okay? Make it small, put it in your locker. And then, of course, explain it, okay? Once you are finished with this project, you need to submit it. So you are going to go back to Submit Assignment here. It's a Google Drive file. So hit Google Drive. And for you on your end, your Google Drive documents are going to show up here. So select your virtual locker and hit Submit. And then you're done. Good luck and have fun.